Science is the behavior of the scientists. The scientific law is a descriptive account of how nature will behave under certain conditions. The scientific law is the descriptive account of how nature will behave under certain occurrences. Scientific law states what will happen in nature under certain conditions. Scientific law states what will happen in nature under certain conditions. Scientific theories are testable and falsifiable predictions. Scientific theories are testable and falsifiable predictions. Scientific theories are acquired through hypothesis testing and experimenting based on theory. Scientific theories are acquired through hypothesis testing and experimentation based on theory. Teachers who use ABA are scientists and practitioners. Teachers who use ABA are scientists, practitioners. The Behavior of Organisms was published by Skinner in 1938. A theory is not a hypothesis or a scientific law. A theory states why things will happen the way that they do. To assume orderliness and determinism is a type of scientific behavior. To assume orderliness and determinism is a type of scientific behavior. To make tentative testable claims is a type of scientific behavior. To predict and control events of interest is a type of scientific behavior. To share orderly relations between events is a type of scientific behavior. To study empirical phenomena is a type of scientific behavior. Two major types of science are social and natural. ABA is the application of basic principles of behavior to socially significant problems. ABA is the application of basic principles of behavior to socially significant problems. ABA is basic principles of behavior to socially significant problems. Applied behavioral analysis is a science devoted to understanding and improvement of human behavior. Applied behavioral analysis is a science dedicated to the understanding and improvement of human behavior. Applied behavioral analysis is a science dedicated to the understanding and improvement of human behavior. Behavior analysis is a natural science popularized by Skinner that attempts to make sense through the study of functional relations between behavior and environment. Behavior analysis, created by Skinner, or popularized by Skinner, attempts to make sense of behavior through the study of functional relations between behavior and environment. Behavior analysis is a natural science popularized by Skinner in order to make sense of functional relations. That's wrong. Behavior analysis is a natural science popularized by Skinner, attempts to make sense of behavior through the study of functional relations between behavior and environment. Behavior analysis is a natural science popularized by Skinner that attempts to make sense of behavior through the study of functional relations between behavior and environment. A natural science popularized by Skinner that uses functional relations to make sense of behavior and environment. Okay. The diversity of phenomena it can explain is related to the strength of a theory. Okay, we already knew that. The elements of science are description, prediction, control, determinism, empiricism, experimentation, replication, pharmacony, and philosophic doubt. The elements of science are description, prediction, control, determinism, empiricism, experimentation, replication, pharmacony, and philosophic doubt. Description, prediction, control, determinism, empiricism, experimentation, replication, pharmacony, and philosophic doubt. Description, prediction, control, determinism, empiricism, experimentation, replication, pharmacony, and philosophic doubt. An empirical testable conjecture, guess, or prediction is called a hypothesis. Employee performance management treatment of ADHD are examples of the aspects of life in which ABA is useful. Employee performance management treatment of ADHD are examples of the aspects of life in which ABA is useful. The father of behavioral analysis is B.F. Skinner. The goal of science is to describe regularities in nature so that we may behave more effectively. The goal of science is to describe regularities in nature so that we may behave more effectively. The goal of behavior analysis is description, prediction, control, and technology. The goal of behavior analysis, description, prediction, control, and technology. In 1938, B.F. Skinner wrote a book called Behavior of Organisms. In 1938, B.F. Skinner wrote a book called The Behavior of Organisms. Natural science is the study of any natural, lawful, orderly phenomena by the use of certain methods. Natural science is the study of any natural, lawful, orderly phenomenon by the use of certain methods. Natural science is the study of any natural, lawful, orderly phenomena by the use of certain methods. Natural science is the study of any natural, lawful, orderly phenomenon by the use of certain methods. Natural science is the study of any natural, lawful, orderly phenomena by the use of certain methods. Science is a search for the truth in nature. Science is a search for the truth in nature.